Is your YouTube channel stuck in 0 view jail? Are you also getting like 0 impressions or possibly 2? I just got these. Then your channel is probably shadow banned. And trust me, I know how annoying it is to put all this effort into making a video and then you upload it and it goes nowhere without you doing anything wrong. So you want to know how to fix this? Here is one possible solution. So I have multiple channels, and on this one, Noticadeur, I place videos about indie development, programming, making money online, and how I make money online with my YouTube channels, AI samples, and with my websites, AI SaaS, and whatever. And on this channel, I noticed that my videos were literally getting zero views. While on other channels I put less effort in, I upload a lot more, like more spammy even, and those videos do get views. And it didn't make sense. I did have a channel history. The channel existed for a long time. I even have videos where I show my face. I think it was even connected to my ID, I don't even know. So I did not understand, and you might be feeling the same. This was going on for a couple days already, and then suddenly I got this email. Your channel has lost access to advanced features. So my suspicion was right. My channel for some reason was getting flagged by the YouTube systems. And now they were officially telling me that they were limiting my channel and I lost access to advanced features. So at least I was really happy that I know a way to fix my problems. So this might be just happening to you the same in the back end. Maybe they aren't telling you that yet, but let me show you how to fix it. So your advanced features or access or what did they call it again? Features is in your YouTube settings. So go to your studio, then go here to your settings, go to channel, then go to advanced settings or feature eligibility. And at number 3, this should be eligible and not enabled. And then you have 3 options here. And then make sure you do the video verification or valid ID. And then if you proceed with that, it will send an email. You can open it on your phone and then make a video on your phone of your face. And then YouTube will know that you're a real person and not a bot. You'll get access to advanced features and your channel will not be limited anymore. Try it right now. I did the same. I'll update you later if I get impressions. Thanks for watching.